Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am very excited to bring to you guys a unboxing of the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. So this is the latest and greatest one. So this just got released about a month ago. So I'm talking release around September 2023. So this is not the 45, this supersedes that. So these are the latest Quiet Comfort here, and I'm just bringing you guys a unboxing today and what to expect of the box, what do I think about the unboxing experience and the headphones themselves. All right, without further ado, let's start this unboxing. So this is the box here. I love it so far. I love the splash of green, and I love how simplistic everything is here. So not much information, and if you guys are returning to this channel, you guys would know that I love how when they don't have too much information. A bit too much information here, but it's down the bottom, and this is not too bad. You know, I would love to see it just be a couple of words, you know, inspiration or what Bose thinks these quiet comforts entail. But yeah, this is definitely not overdoing it as well, okay, either. So overdoing it would be something completely different. Now let's get this unboxing underway. So loving this is just the Apple thing. So Apple introduced these into their iPhones first. So you just rip this out. There's no plastic, they're still sealed, they're considered sealed. So they introduced this, so I'm loving that how other companies are following suit and reducing on plastic waste. Okay, so I mucked that up grandly. All right, so that's basically a tier here. So that's it. All right, let's see if this will slide out nice and easy. Ooh, that's a bit. That's good to see, by the way. This very thin, papery feel to it. That's fine. How many times have you unboxed an item and then kept the box and then used the box on a daily basis? Never. Most people will chuck them out, so that's great to see. Even if it's recycled, like these bad boys and the Sonys, they're recycled, so that'll be great to see. They've changed all their new lineup that just came out in September. So the Ultra earbuds came out, the Ultra headphones came out, and these came out. So they're doing a new unboxing thing where they do this, so you can close it up again, you know. So that's really neat. Okay, and they all have this bit of information here how to start it. All right, let's get the headphones out. So as usual, you get these jelly things in there just to stop moisture getting in there. All right, that's the booklet. It's basically a bit about it, which is great to see. I would love to not even see these, you know. Why do you need this? Who reads this? I never read it. Do you guys? Comment below. Do you guys read this? I never read it. I can read it online if I want to. Save a bit more paper. All right, so these are the headphones. Let's see if I can slide them out without having to open this. Yes, I can, very easily. That is great to see, okay? That's fantastic to see. All right, now, very luxurious, very nice feeling leather. Loving touching this. This is just so soft. This is good. This is good to see. A lot of companies are shying away from leather. Leather is great. Leather biodegrades. Leather is just awesome and it lasts forever, but not genuine leather. I would bet this is genuine leather, but when I review this, and you guys can comment below and let me know whether this is genuine leather. What is it? Is it fake leather? Is it top grain leather? Is it full grain leather? And the zipper is leather as well. This part, I don't like it like this though. It makes it feel cheapish. I like it like the old school, like really nice, thick zipper, like nice thick zipper here. You know, everything is nice and chunky. I like seeing that. I don't like this stuff. Anyways, that's me personally. There's cloth around the side for the zipper, and it's very nice. So see how easily this just opened. not an issue. They're getting caught and things like that. Look at that. That's nice and easy. Beautiful. And they've got their signature little pocket here, which is really nice to see. Okay, the pocket is their signature little thing, and it's very thick as well. I have to say that this is very, very thick. Look at that. This will give it great protection. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Bose, they do these little things, okay, to stop it banging around. I like to keep them because if you take them around, you don't want them to bang around in here. So this will stop it from banging around in here, but it's up to you. You can chuck them out if you want, obviously. So this is great to see. Slanted speakers, okay, your ears are on an angle, so the angled speakers, the right and the left, very nice, very predominant, very good that you can absolutely see it immediately. Okay, comment below, what are these? Leather? Genuine leather? What kind of leather it is? Beautiful. Same design, absolute same design. Nothing's changing much here. Headbands leather as well, or fake leather or whatever it is, but in the review I'll get back to you guys what it is. That's really nice to see. That's very different. So not just metal all the way, metal and plastic there. Very nice tug to it, very nice. Not too much resistance, but just enough. That's very good to see. Buttons, I love buttons. I love seeing buttons. If you guys are new to this channel, I hate those finicky touch, all that nonsense. I love just the buttons, and they've got spacing between the buttons so you don't confuse which button. Like I would hate like 7 buttons here, and you're trying to remember which one was which. On off here, you've got your volume, you've got your custom button here. That's great to see. All right, it goes like that, goes in, and you can bend them. That's great to see. All right, what else do you get? You get a color matched audio cable, all right, which is awesome to see. Audio. Now, knowing Bose, they used to do this annoying thing, okay, with remote, but they're still doing the annoying thing where the Bose don't take a normal 3.5 audio jack on both sides. So they're doing a remote now, which is nice to see, but you can't put this is not a remote, just a mic. So no remote, just a mic. Correction there. This is nice to see, but save the world, guys, save the planet. Just use 3.5 on both ends so you can use it with other headphones. You're not walled into the Bose ecosystem or whatever. So the 2.5 goes here, okay, so it's not a 3.5 on both ends. On the other end you get a 3.5 USB-C to USB cable, which is not a big deal. I'm fine with that. I would love to see USB-C to USB-C. Comment below if you guys want to see that as well. Now guys, that's basically it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below what you guys want me to compare this up against. Maybe the Ultra Pro, the Sony XM5s, whatever. Let me know. And guys, I am completely unbiased. And the way I'm keeping it unbiased is by your support and by myself having a job and paying for these myself. I don't get funded from anyone to do these reviews. So if you appreciate that and you want unbiased reviews, please do subscribe, watch more videos, like the videos as much as you can do. It takes a couple of seconds to like it and things like that. Thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Take good care. Bye-bye.